Hey guys, Russ here with bishopswest.com. A few weeks ago I did a video about using the ARP in Bitwig Studio, and somebody asked me a question about how to use shuffle with an ARP. So I thought, well, that's a good question, maybe I should answer that. So within Bitwig Studio I've just got an FM4 with a harp, some kind of a harp preset, and I put an arpeggiator before that. So just to let you listen what it sounds like straight. Okay, so if you aren't familiar with Bitwig Studio or you're just getting into it, just so you know, this little button right here is called the groove button. And if you look down here, well, you'll see down there, it says enable groove, and you just click it to turn it on. And what that does is, that's how groove is Bitwig's term for the shuffle. So let me press play, and it sounds remarkably similar. So a couple things that you have to do. Number one, down here within the arpeggiator, just make sure that you've got it toggled there too. Okay, it could be off like that, but make sure you have it on. But then the other thing you have to do is click on the play button, and down here you'll see this groove section. Okay, so enable groove, that's got to be on. And you can see, if you don't see it up here, it's because I've got this pinned, the little thumbtack, so that it always shows up there. But then you have to do a couple more things. You have to set the shuffle amount here. I think it actually defaults to 50%. And you have to make sure that you're affecting the right thing. Are you affecting the 8th notes or the 16th notes? So right now my arpeggiator is on 16th notes, so I've got it set on the 16ths here. And then the shuffle, if we just turn it up to about 50, this is what it sounds like. So that's what you need to do to use the shuffle with your arpeggiator. Let's, just for fun, take this down to an 8th note. And there you've got your kind of get along little doggy kind of feel to it. So that's all you have to do. Just play around with that. Make sure you've got the buttons turned on where you need them turned on. And it's really easy to use the shuffle with the arpeggiator. So hope that was helpful. If you've got any questions or comments, please just leave them down below in the comments section. If this was useful, please click on that like button. And otherwise, just remember, I've got that free guide for you called Accelerate Your Music Making in Bitwig Studio. It's a free download, bishopswest.com/Bitwig setup. Go get it. And that's all I've got for you today. Hope that was helpful, and I will talk to you guys next time. Thanks.